Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Chat. My name is Tom.
And I'm Sarah. We're very happy you're here with us today. This is the podcast for English learners who want to listen to simple, clear English.
That's right. And today we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about important phrases for everyday life.
These are phrases you can use in many common situations. Knowing these phrases can make you feel more confident when you speak English.
Exactly. So today we will look at 3 situations. First, how to order a coffee.
A very important skill. Second, how to meet a new person and say hello.
And third, how to ask for directions when you are lost. Are you ready?
Let's begin. Let's start with our first situation, ordering a coffee.
Okay, so imagine, Sarah, you are in a coffee shop. You walk to the counter. What do you say?
First, I smile and say hello. Being polite is always a good start.
Great advice. The person working there, the barista, will say hello back. Then they might ask, "What can I get for you?"
Right, now it's your turn to order. There are 2 very good and simple phrases you can use. The first one is, can I have, please?
For example, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Exactly. The second phrase is, I would like, please. I would like is often shortened to I'd like. So you can say, I'd like a coffee, please.
Both phrases are perfect. "Can I have" is very common and friendly. "I'd like" is also very polite. So that's practice. I will be the barista. Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, can I have a latte, please?
Of course. Small, medium, or large.
A medium, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Great. After you order, they will tell you the price. Then you pay. And what is the last thing we should always say, Sarah?
We say thank you. It's a small word, but very important.
So, to review the key phrases, can I have a please? Or I'd like a please. And always remember hello, please, and thank you.
Perfect. Now you are ready to order a coffee in English.
Okay, let's move to our second situation. Meeting a new person.
This can make some people nervous, but it can be very simple. Let's imagine we are at a party. We don't know each other. Tom, you start.
Okay, I will walk to you and say, "Hi, I'm Tom." That's it. Simple and friendly.
And I would say, hello, Tom. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you is a very important phrase, and the response is easy. I would say, "Nice to meet you too." The word "too" means also.
Right. So we have, hi, I'm Sarah. Hello, Sarah. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now what? We need to continue the conversation.
We can ask a simple question. A great question to ask is, "Where are you from?"
Good idea. So, Tom, where are you from?
"I'm from London. And you?" It is friendly to ask the question back.
I'm from New York. Another good question is, what do you do? This question means, what is your job, or are you a student?
Yes. So, Sarah, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student. And now we are having a conversation.
It's easy. The most important phrases are, hi, I'm, and nice to meet you. After that, you can ask, where are you from, and what do you do?
And remember to smile. A smile is understood in every language.
That's true. Okay, so we've ordered coffee and met a new person. What's our last situation, Tom?
Our last situation is asking for directions. This is so important when you are in a new city.
Yes, imagine you're lost and you need to find the train station. You see a friendly person on the street. What is the first thing you say?
You should start with, "Excuse me, This is the polite way to get someone's attention.
Right. So, excuse me. Then you can ask for help. A simple way is, can you help me, please?
After they say yes, you can ask where something is. You can say, I'm looking for the train station, or where is the train station?
Both are great. Where is maybe a little bit simpler. So let's practice. I'm lost.
And I'm a person on the street.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
I'm looking for the library. Where is the library?
Ah, the library. It's easy. Go straight, then turn left at the big tree. The library is on the right.
Okay, so let's look at those direction words. Go straight means continue on this road.
Right. And then you have turn left and turn right. It's a good idea to learn these two words, left and right.
Yes, and Tom said the library is on the right. That tells me which side of the street it is on.
Okay, so after you get the directions, what should you say?
You should say, thank you so much, or thank you for your help.
Exactly. A simple thank you shows your appreciation and leaves a positive impression. Now that covers the basics of asking for directions. But what if you don't understand the directions you're given? That can be a stressful situation. It's also a good idea to remember that communication is a two-way street. We've talked about what to say, but it's just as important to understand what the other person is saying back to you. This is where listening skills become crucial.
That's a really important point. Often, as learners, we focus so much on speaking correctly that we forget to listen actively. Active listening means paying full attention to what the other person is saying, not just waiting for our turn to speak.
Perfect. So let's review. Start with excuse me, then ask where is the, and remember the direction words. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
And always, always finish with thank you.
Well, that was great. We have covered 3 very important situations today.
Yes, we have. We learned how to order a coffee using can I have or I'd like. We learned how to meet someone with hi, I'm and nice to meet you. And we learned how to ask for directions with excuse me, where is the...
For all our listeners, our advice is to practice. Don't be afraid to try. People are usually very happy to help someone who is learning.
That's the most important thing. Practice. Maybe you can practice with a friend, or you can just practice by yourself in front of a mirror.
That's a great idea. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We hope this was helpful for you.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Chat. Join us next time for another simple conversation.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.